Everyone keeps saying AI can't replace real editing, so I tried something. I took one of the most viral types of content right now, TikTok dancing videos, and I'm going to recreate it using AI. No editing, no timeline, just one tool. So this is Clipwise. Instead of editing everything manually, I'm going to use their viral dancing video agent to do everything for me. Alright, so this is the dashboard. As you can see, Clipwise has a lot of different video agents depending on what you want to create. But for this, I'm going to choose the viral dancing video. Now this works a bit differently compared to normal video generation. First, we need to select the actor. So I'll click on Actor, then click on Upload Avatar. For this, I'm going to upload an image of a well-known Portuguese footballer. I'd recommend you just search something like footballer selfie and pick a clear image. Now I'll upload it. Alright, it's in, and I'll select it as the actor. Next, we need a reference video. This is basically the dance that the character will follow, so you can pick any trending dance you want. I'll just choose this one, and that's literally it. No prompt, no editing, just click generate. Now it's processing, so we'll just wait a bit. Alright. It's done. And yeah, this is actually crazy. If you look at the movement, it matches the reference video perfectly. The face stays consistent, the details are sharp, and it actually looks natural. This is the type of content you see on TikTok and Reels getting millions of views. And normally, you'd need editing, tracking, timing, but here, it's done automatically. Now before we finish, let me show you another new age, the viral Celebrity Selfie. As you can see, we start on the dashboard. From here, you just select the Celebrity Selfie Studio. Then, you write your script. You can also choose the language, set the duration of the clip, and select the format, like vertical. Once that's done, just click Generate. Now, it takes a bit of time to process. After that, you can customize everything. You can change the visual style, from cinematic to different themes. You can also change the character, or even upload your own. You also have voiceover options. You can pick different voices and even add background music from the built-in library or upload your own. You can edit narration, subtitles, and music, all in one place. There's also transitions, elements, and a full timeline like an editor. So if you want more control, you can tweak everything here. And this is the final result. You can see the quality, the movement, everything looks clean. So instead of using multiple tools, everything is just in one place. Right now, they're also offering around 60% off the yearly plan, which comes out to about $20 per month, and you can generate up to 100 videos every month. So yeah, if you want to try making viral content like this without editing, the link is in the description.